Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes PC or laptop files and folders access to anywhere in the world. Type HFS download in browser search bar. Click downloading HFS. Click downloading HFS. Open downloaded folder. Click Allow Access. Change port to 8081. Create a sample folder and files under desktop any other directory. Simply drag to root directory. Type Ngrok download in browser search bar. Click download Ngrok. Click download for Windows. Click OK to save file. Open downloaded folder. Extract downloaded file. Copy the extracted file. Create folder under C drive named as Ngrok. Simply paste that file. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. cd ... cd ... cd space /hgrok/. Type ls to list directory. /ngrok.exe space http. Type port number. Copy URL and paste it into browser search bar. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.